Wow. This is a walk road. We didn't do rent and go kart here. Them rent it. No. No, thank you. Go up and go karts.
This one in 1 hour you throw only island. You see Maya template fertility goddess,
Yeah.
you drive the car.
So you want to go down what you want to go?
Want the boat.
So yeah, but 1 hour here and we know.
1 hour now is
Supposed
a
to be back here
4:30.
for 6 o'clock.
And I want to go into the water.
You want to take 2 hours or 1 hour?
No,
My recommendation really is at 1 hour and I do drive the car.
I drive the cart?
Yeah, you don't want to drive? The other, bro, one question. Are you want to like in golf and golf cart? Or want to have one tour in the taxi? This include your entrance?
No
and you go
taxi.
no? Okay, the golf
How
cart.
much is the golf cart?
The golf cart you drive is a $42.
What if somebody driving?
And the one that with Soviet driver is 55.
55?
Yeah.
$50.
53. Now you need this. It's for the filler, not for me. Yeah. It's for the pilot.
Yeah, check.
Yes, sir. We better live our best life over
I
here.
need to record the car, okay? You need 1 minute only. I am recording for departure to the car.
You pay already on?
Yeah, my PM. Only 1 minute.
Only half a minute.
Yeah, only half a minute. Yeah.
Half a minute for the money, Dana?
No, he said 1 minute. So me I trying to tell him, say hurry up, because we need to go in at the beach. It might take too long now after me PM. Nobody linger, because we need to go in at the water. The boat will come back for 6 o'clock. What are you doing? What's taking so long? You have to rush him. Look here, I mean, make your money already, madam.
Yes, that may be true.
Stop it chatting, Gracie. Let's stop it chatting. I want to call me now, man. No time for this now, we're not time for video.
Nobody has time for man. We are living best life, so let's start with.
Oi! Oi!
We never want golf car, but I know we are driving myself. We don't want to drive with them, pay them to drive it. And you know we are big coward already. We can laugh at it. We are big coward, we not drive it myself. No, she said put it by you. Hey, come hold this.
Hold it when I record, bigger.
She a record reader.
We need memories.
She a record.
Wow.
See how I'm up here?
Yeah. Me not go drive it, you know.
Me not drive it on a car.
Me will drive it because I want road. Card me couldn't drive. Me couldn't. Me don't want record. And you know hold the camera good.
One whole lot, me not want no camera picture back,
I'm going on the beach.
Quite alright.
Come back and put on my Jamaican beach outfit. Burn up like a walk. Sun burn me. Or she rent the bike. Yeah. I don't know if I ride bike. I don't want to go on the
Yeah,
bike.
good idea, bro.
This episode I don't good. I can't afford to drop off.
It's clean up.
So I show me bike back or right car, wherever that come from this side.
Because this a different song. This a... Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, give me something. Give me something. All right.
Take a
Okay.
picture, Dana. Come.
I'm doing a little video too.
No, okay. Sorry, it's not in the picture. Check it. Check
Check
it.
him,
and
check
then
it,
the
check.
photo.
Okay, we ready.
Okay.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Ice cream seller, so see me go one. Yeah. Love things like this. But love water something. Love the water, man. What an experience. They ride a lot of bike over here. Yeah, like it's less car and more bike. Yeah. Woman and man ride bike, right. That's nice. It's like less car over here, so it won't be so much traffic, you know? Yeah, it's a lot of bike. That's awesome. like it over here. Very nice. They were on the board.
Yeah.
But they turned back around. It's really in Nawago so far. You want to see everything I know I'm going to water. Don't go much in there. Now show me that nice name this your master. You want like? No. No, they like. I got me as a shoulder. Look at that, you say you have a go. Yeah, but I'm not using them in the big street. We are going to walk, not go over water like that. Right. So we have content. Oh my god, it's a lot of bikes. Like you barely see car. Everywhere you look, it's like this is a bike island. Yeah, look at the bus. Yeah. What's it? They say you want to ride back home. Now that's some of them that they are chatting. much cherry on that tree there.
Where?
Let's see there. Watch my car.
See that?
Mercedes. Watch mango. Why me would have to get a couple mango? Me should I tell him to stop. So we can carry back at the hotel and go eat it. If I see anything like that again, I tell him to stop. Buy it like nothing over here. Mercy. I'm gonna drink Jenny and make me have mango. If you're not going, I want you to have to change, you know. Yeah, just you know have to change. Can I guess? Can you stop?
So what?
I need 2 mango.
All right.
Yeah. Oh shucks, water dirty.
Give me chance. Give me chance.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Guys, we're gonna buy mango. Guess how much is 3 mango? $10. Oh my Jesus. No one can go so. Okay, so like the tour guide, they speak very little English. So when we ask them, they tell us in Spanish, and we don't understand that. So the little island that we're going, I just find the photo, and I decided to put it in the video, and I voiced over, is Punta Sur. That's the little island, but you guys gonna see it, and you could pronounce it your way, but that's how I pronounce it. Yeah, but we're almost there.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh, that's it?
Okay, I stay here.
That's
you gonna
it?
take a picture for
Yeah.
this area?
Oh, right. Wow. Oh, mango out here so too. Wow.
An ice cream, Mexican ice cream.
We definitely want ice cream. Huh? One thing with the beach over here, the beach is so beautiful. Oh my God, it's insane. Okay, Gracie, you have video. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. I'm afraid of height. Mercy. Oh, she looks sad. Don't she? She looks really sad. Oh, I'm afraid of height. This is, oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Fred, my phone drop over there. Oh, me I tell you. Gracie, see your best friend up there, sir. Yes, Father. Thank you, Lord. This is such a beautiful scenery. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoy every minute of it. Oh, my time I come down too short to leave. Me, I enjoy myself. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. He's real? He's real. Huh? Yeah. They're very scary. They're very scary.
Yes. In the afternoon and the morning, it's too much in the iguana, but this one.
Oh, really? Iguana is all over here in the morning?
Yes, yes.
I am afraid of them.
Even,
honestly.
yes. But this time,
Are they hurting anybody?
yes.
They will bite you?
No, no, to the by no.
No, they
No,
won't?
no, no, nothing. No, no, no.
Oh,
Look.
oh wow.
Beautiful.
Oh, it is. Wow. Stunning. Need to take a picture too. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at her. Okay, she actually look a little happier. Where's the best friend there? She's afraid of them, you see? Oh my gosh. You see our iguana country, the amount of iguana when you see I walk past and sit alongside of people. Oh, I'm not gonna go over there.
Kami mo din po de Punta Sur.
Okay.
Por this area is in the best corner.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Awesome.
Are you gonna take a picture? You're gonna hit
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. Yeah. Gracie, you're lucky. You want me to send you a picture? Take out your phone. If you want me to take it, you come here over here with it. Let me see your ice cream.
Ice cream, that's homemade by my wife.
What kind of ice cream that?
Mango, chocolate, lemon, coconut. It's homemade by my
Coconut.
wife. Coconut?
Yeah.
Small, $2, medium, $3, large, $4.
Small. Shouldn't even eat it, but I hope it
Too
tastes good.
small.
Too small. Coconut.
Okay, coconut.
Okay.
One more.
Yeah. Oh, bye.
Good picture.
Oh. Another ice cream. I have to stop this and eat the ice cream. Invite me in the Caribbean. When we don't know if honestly. Why me take my Dana them through and through the community? Wow. Absolutely beautiful. XO. Oh, X that. Scotiabank, yeah, Scotiabank. Got another lady I run down here. Here's what kind of look like when you watch some video from China. You know? Like when you watch some video from China. Here's what kind of look like it. Leather bag. Yeah, real leather bag them. Wow. Handmade slippers them then? Yeah, handmade slippers them then.
then you will spend your money.
Yeah,
You
because
know?
it's unusual. But like, come on one country and buy the same thing where we have in the US. Nah. Right there, so with it there, right there, so.
You sure?
Yeah, right there, so.
You sure?
100%.
So why am I carry further?
I guess I don't hear same park.
turn.
Yeah. No, I don't hear same park.
How guys, the ladies, great.
Yes. Guys, memories live forever. This is day 3 in Punta Sur. I mean, we came to Cancun and we took the boat to this little island named Punta Sur, and we had a blast here. As you see the videos that I did, the caption and everything, these are some photos of the little island, and we take like an hour to ride around in this little thing, 1 hour, and get back to where our boat leave us off. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a